Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by locking in the essentials: the exact address, any unit or lot number, and a name tied to the property. Once done, pull together one supporting document like a recent tax bill or title excerpt because those give parcel numbers you'll need. Make sure to note local jurisdiction, county or city, since records live there. This gets you into the right system quickly and prevents wasted searches on similarly named streets or duplicated house numbers. Next, go to the county assessor's database and search by address or parcel number to confirm owner, assessed value, and tax info. This explains tax status and value trends. Then check the county recorder or clerk for deed records and transfer history to verify chain of title. Also open the local GIS parcel map to visualize lot lines, zoning, and recorded easements. If a digital search fails, note document numbers and prepare to request copies in person or by mail. Finally, verify findings by ordering certified copies or a title report from a title company. That confirms legal descriptions and liens. If records look incomplete, visit the recorder's office in person and ask staff to pull unindexed or older records by date or grantor name. Make sure to note recording numbers and dates for future reference. If you hit a dead end, contact the county clerk directly or consult historical plat maps and tax rolls. This often uncovers older ownership data or transcription errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.